Hi guys, it's me, Diego. I'm diving in the rain today, by myself. Yeah, I know. Rule number one. But I figured if I'm gonna break it, might as well make it look cool. Plus, it's alright here. Sounds poetic, right? Until you realize it's probably just my way of avoiding people. Some go to therapy. I hold my breath and I sink into the ocean. Same thing, just more wet. Now here's the thing. I've been filming all these short clips lately, freediving, sliding through caves, swimming through these large schools of fish, dramatic music, you know the type. It looks peaceful, but half the time I'm just annoyed by my new mask fogging up, or water getting in it, or worried about scratching my new lens and trying not to bump into anything. It's weird. Freediving is supposed to be all about relaxation, right? Relaxation, 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 but you literally do it by not breathing. It's like the world's most counterintuitive mindfulness practice of sorts. You learn a lot down there though. Mainly how bad you are at letting go. The ocean is a great therapist. It doesn't talk back. It just reminds you who is in charge. Well, I've made a bunch of these videos before, but they all end up the same. Cool shots, emotional music, and me pretending I'm having a spiritual awakening. Truth is, I'm just trying to find meaning in all of this, I'm not the namaste kind of guy. More like, what am I actually doing with my life? Kind. And that's the part people never see. The quiet panic. Not the one where you're running out of air. It's the one where you realize that the ocean is more consistent than most people that you know. It holds you. It humbles you. And it never pretends to be anything it's not. There's comfort in that. See, every time I come up, I tell myself I'm going to make the next video deeper. Like, emotionally, not physically. But then I overthink it again. I write half the script, I hate it, I delete it, and then I just throw some music over the footage again. Classic avoidance. It looks productive though. So, if you happen to be watching this, help me out. What would you actually want to hear about? The breath work, fear, maybe the part where I'm just a dude trying to stay calm while the universe holds its breath with me. I'll be here, overthinking in slow motion, beneath the surface, under the rain.